Hi viewers, welcome to the video. I'm Deepthi, a student teacher at Govt at Khammam. Here I would like to present the preparation of gulab jamun recipe for class 5th students. Gulab jamuns are very tasty and wonderful food. Let's see, come with me how to make gulab jamun. Before that, see the ingredients which we require for the gulab jamun recipe. Take 250 grams of sugar and take 175 grams of gulab jamun mix. First of all, mix the powder and put it aside. The second step is take one bowl and add 2 cups of sugar. First sugar syrup, and I am adding the 4 glasses of water. Now switch on the flame and cook on medium until the sugar syrup dissolves for 15 to 20 minutes. The sugar syrup was ready and put it aside and stop the flame. After 10 minutes, make a small balls. And take the another bowl and put some oil on it. Make it heat for 5 minutes. Add the jamuns balls in the oil. Make the deep fry. Carefully keep stirring until the jamuns have got the desired color. Stop the flame. Now remove the gulab jamuns from the oil. Add the bowls in the sugar syrup and close the bowl for 30 minutes and put it aside.